I have a Linux system installed on an old iMac, and I want to find out how many active PCI buses the iMac's motherboard has. To obtain PCI information, I need to use the lspci command. In the output of the lspci command, the first column consists of a series of numbers that are divided into 3 parts. These numbers, representing the bus number, device number, and function number, respectively, together determine the physical location of a device. For example, the wireless card and the Ethernet network card are connected to buses 3 and 4, respectively. Therefore, to find the number of buses, we need to count the unique values of the first part of these numbers. So first, I use the awk command to extract the first column. Then, I use the cut command with the colon delimiter to extract the first part of each number, that is, the bus number. After that, I use the sort command with the -u option to remove duplicate numbers. And finally, I use the wc command to count the number of lines in order to get the unique number of buses. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel.